Brother, you know, say, you look like me have to go move more fast and deeper.
I think so too.
Yeah, man, I have to do that, brother.
What's it start? Cause across the man go page them now for find out what the progress and what the status. You see? So a portal. You're done.
Alright, I say nothing, King.
Blessings.
I notice a pattern, I say. Gun, hoop, and donkey. Just need to find where it starts. Yeah, Tona.
Whisper? Yeah. Me have a little after book move I want make. I'm gonna need your help. Just link me ASAP.
Alright.
Alright.
Off the books again.
Yeah, man. She decided to deal with it. Today, her daughter go deal with it, you know. You trust her still, you know. You have a strong feeling, you know. I will collect the money there, you know. Buy her body, you know.
Yes, good morning. This is Agent T. Code number 043003. Yes, I need an AU to pick me up on the top of the road. Yes, it was authorized from yesterday. Okay, send it in 20 minutes.
Consider it done. Don't worry yourself, boss.
One time I tell you, say, today I get the thing, man. Yeah, man, as soon as I get it in my hand, I go carry on gear. I remember me tell you, you know, at the last time, you know, at the last time, I not do it again.
Last thing? She don't even know her last day of this.
Maureen, when I must meet you, I'm going to collect the money.
Just tell me which restaurant you want to go. Alright, me will come meet you.
Alright, I'm going to call you when I get you.
Tony, me no feel good about this, you know.
I talked to my friend already and she said safe. We can make the transaction.
You sure?
And that's why I'm asked her before I'm here.
Alright then. Jesus, Lord. Please, just guide and protect her and cover her. Because if anything happen to her, I don't know what me to do.